What's going on, riders? Romero here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to clean your Sea-Doo after a long day of riding. I wanted to talk a little bit about the products I'll be using in today's video. WavesRX was kind enough to send over their EPICWASH, their EPICFLUSH, their AQUASHIELD, and their marine scuff and grime remover sponges. I'll go into detail about each product as we go through the washing process. I like to start off by flushing the exhaust on my Sea-Doo. To do so, I'm going to be using the WavesRX salt neutralizing EPICFLUSH. This is their marine engine flush and protectant. What's great about this product is that it's good for the environment. It's eco-friendly, non-toxic, biodegradable, plant-based, and it doesn't have any harmful chemicals. This bottle here is good for about 64 flushes, as you only need about half an ounce to perform the flush. To use this product, you simply pour about half an ounce into your flush kit and begin the normal flushing process. I'll be walking you through on how to flush your Sea-Doo GTX. Please refer to your owner's manual on how to properly flush your make and model PWC. I like to start by connecting the hose and the flush kit to the flush port of the Sea-Doo. Please be sure to leave the water turned off. I set the flush kit to detergent mode, start the engine, and immediately turn on the water. Run the engine for 30 to 60 seconds. Turn off the water. Disconnect the flush kit. Run the engine at 5,000 RPMs for about 5 seconds. Stop the engine. The next product we will be using is WavesRX EPICWASH. EPICWASH has been formulated to break down salt and mineral deposits. It won't remove or strip away any existing wax or ceramic coatings. It will also add a slick layer of protection with hydrophobic properties. This means that the water will bead off, making it easier to wash and dry your PWC after your next ride. It will also keep your ride looking like new by adding a bit of gloss and shine. To use this product, you simply add about 1 ounce of product to your foam gun. I like to add a little bit of water beforehand, then mix it up before you attach your foam gun to your pressure washer. The third product we are using today is the marine scuff and grime removers. These are a set of pads that can be used to detail your ski by gently rubbing, removing contents from it. And they also offer a tougher pad for those tougher stains and scuff marks. To use the pads, you simply wet the surface area and the pad itself and gently scrub the affected area. So I'll give the Sea-Doo the first wash. I'm the type of person that I like to wash it a second time. The second time I'll add a bit of agitation with a little washcloth. So let me spray it down again and give it another wash. Now that I finished washing the Sea-Doo, it's time to dry. Most people use towels, but I have access to power tools. So let's have some fun. The fourth product we're going to be using today is the WavesRX AQUASHIELD. This provides a slick surface to prevent water from sticking to your ski. This prevents, salt mineral deposit from sticking and causing those pesky stains. It also gives you some UV protection to prevent any fading. To use this, you simply spray it on, wipe it off with a microfiber towel. And we are now finished. Thank you for joining me in this video as I take you through the process of how I wash my Sea-Doo after each ride. Thank you to WavesRX for sending a product for me to try out. Let's see how we did.